Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. I'm Santosh from Turia team. So in this video, I will walk you through how to connect your existing WhatsApp app in Turia using WhatsApp coexistence. So here, one of the biggest advantage is you can use your existing WhatsApp business app on mobile and also managing conversations directly from Turia. So now you don't need to change a new mobile number or no need to interrupt existing workflow. Let's get started. So let's begin with connecting WhatsApp. So once you click on Connect WhatsApp, the page directly navigates to WhatsApp integration page. So here, once you click on Connect WhatsApp number, so here there will be few informations will be displayed. We can go through this. So then we can continue to next. So here Meta has some conditions to set up before connecting Turia and WhatsApp business number. You can check this and then we can continue to next. So then Meta onboarding will open. If Facebook is already logged into your browser, your profile details will appear automatically. If not, Meta will ask you to log in using your Facebook credentials. So in next step, Meta will display business portfolio and WhatsApp business account. If you already have a business portfolio, Meta selects it automatically. If not, create business portfolio will be selected by default and we can create one in next step too. So let's say we have business portfolio. So then we have WhatsApp business account. Select a WhatsApp business app. This option allows us to connect an existing WhatsApp business account. Once the both business portfolio and connected WhatsApp business app are selected, click next. So now enter your WhatsApp business phone number by selecting country code. Let me just give the mobile number. During verification, Meta validates your number. So once you click on next, Meta validated. So if Meta shows any restrictions or validation issue, please resolve them directly in your Facebook business settings. These may be related to ads manager restrictions, account limitations, or the number being connected elsewhere. These restrictions are managed by Meta and cannot be resolved by from Turia. So once verification is completed, Meta displays information about sharing your WhatsApp business account with Turia while continuing to use your WhatsApp business app normally. You will see details regarding account sharing, contact access, chat history, and Meta privacy handling. Review the information and continue. In the next step, Meta provides the QR code to connect your account. At the same time, Meta also sends a notification inside your WhatsApp business app. We will proceed using QR code scanning. Open your WhatsApp business application. Go to Settings, Account, Business Platform. Click Connect to Business Platform. You will see options to either share chart history or continue without sharing. Select your preferred options and continue. Now, scan the QR code displayed on the screen. Once scanned, syncing usually takes around 30 to 45 seconds. So after syncing completes, your business account name and time zone will be selected automatically. Let me just connect this. So next, Meta will show Turia access permissions, read the details and confirm access. And then Meta will initiate the connection between your WhatsApp business account and Turia. After a few seconds, a success message will appear. So click on finish. Once account connection is completed successfully, so we can ignore this 6-digit pin for now. So just cancel this and just refresh once. So the page gets refreshed and the connected mobile number will be displayed over here. So here you can see the transactions. Why? Because I have already used this mobile number with Turia. So this is basically a history of transaction that based on template. So next thing that we are supposed to do is we'll move to WhatsApp templates. So in WhatsApp templates, we will provide you a create default templates. So this process takes few seconds. Once created templates are submitted to Meta for review. Let me just create the templates. So now default templates are successfully synced. So ideally by default, the filter will be applied based on all modules. So we have general, leads, client, invoice, task, DSC, and license related templates. So these templates we have given because these are the basic templates that are supposed to implemented based on modules. Let's say if you choose lead related, so ideally in see lead follow-up template will be there and production related template will be there. So next if you choose client, so in client we have Deepavali wishes and also we can create custom templates based on your way of communication with respect to the clients as well. So and then we have invoice related. So in invoice related we have invoice follow-up related, invoice payment request related, invoice has been sent to the client and after payment has been made. So that kind of templates also we have provided. And then we have task. So in task, we have generally task creation updates. So you can update your clients regarding the task has been created and so and so assign has been assigned to this respective task. So you can follow up with our team regarding this. And then we have DSC related. So generally in DSC, we have one DSC expiry reminder. After expiry, renewal notifications. Same thing will be applied to license as well. And then in general, we have an annual filing reminder private limited and related things you can modify by creating based on entity that you work for. And then we have DIN KYC reminders and GST 3B filing reminders, income tax filing reminders, TDS payment reminders. So we have sent this for review. So Meta ideally takes around 12, 24 or sometimes 36 hours to approve or reject templates. Once approved, module specific templates become available for use. You can initiate conversation directly from Turia and continue regular messaging from your mobile app once templates has been approved, or you can also initiate conversation from mobile itself. So once client has responded, then you can continue communicate without using templates in Turia and also from mobile as well. So whenever a client replies, a 24-hour conversation window starts. Within this 24 window, you can continue normal messaging and file sharing without using templates. So after 24-hour window expires, template messages are again required to reinitiate the communications from Turia. Or you can use mobile to initiate conversation without using template as well. So after mobile number is connected, we'll open Meta Billing. So here we are supposed to add a payment method. So based on template, the Meta charges the payment charges. So as soon as you open the billing page, so this is how Meta displays alerts like missing valid payment method. So we can click on add payment method. So once you scroll down, here you can see payment settings. So once you click on payment settings, you'll find a payment methods and add payment method. So you can click over here. I can and you can update the payment method which is Visa or MasterCard. Once you add a payment card, so you can preview the card that has been linked over here. In case if you don't find the card that you have added, you can also try with different cards. Sometimes Meta rejects certain debit or credit cards. And in case if you have skipped adding business info, please click on edit and update the business info right over here. And then we'll come back to the platform. So once template has been approved, status will be changed to approved. So now I will explain you how these templates can be utilized based on modules. Let's say we'll go to lead module. So in lead module, you can select in bulk as well, and you can also choose manually as well. If you click on send WhatsApp, you have two options. One WhatsApp web, another one is WhatsApp API WABA. If you choose WhatsApp web, it will redirect you to existing WhatsApp logged in browser and it free of cost and you have to do manually for each lead. But for WhatsApp API WABA, you can do it in bulk as well. So here you can choose follow template. Once you choose a template, the category will be updated and the cost for this template will be also updated. So Meta charges 86 paisa for marketing related and you can also preview the template over here. And after confirming this, you can schedule a broadcast. Same way in lead module, we have a quotation. So you can select a quotation over here and you can click on WhatsApp. You can continue here. So this is related to quotation template. Once you choose the template, the category updates to utility and the utility has 12 paisa which Meta charges and you can also preview the quotation template over here. You can schedule a broadcast. So whatever the broadcast has been sent, you can preview it in the WhatsApp module. So this is how your client or lead receives the quotation related template. Same way in client, you can choose in bulk or you can choose individually as well. So in case if there is any GST related or in case if there is any uh, festival related, in that case you can choose in bulk and you can send the wishes for your clients. And also, let's say we'll go by one. You can choose WhatsApp API. You can choose client welcoming messages, Deepavali wishes, any kind that you want to, and you can same way it will displays the number of contacts selected and the cost for these templates and you can send the wishes over here. Same way we'll move to task. So in task you can do it from list view as well and also you can go to each individual task as well. Here you will find the WhatsApp. You can choose, you can select a template with respective. This is a task creation update and this is utility. You can preview this assign to start date, due date. Same way, first tab has status as well. And then we'll move to invoice module. So generally in invoice module, there will be a performer or invoice. You can choose in bulk here as well. And you can also choose manually as well. Let's say I will choose one performer invoice for here and I will select send WhatsApp. So here I will choose invoice payment request default. So this template has a document where your client will see invoice document along with this content as well. So if I choose any other template, there will be no document. There will be only content. You can choose which template to be sent. Let's say if I choose invoice payment request default, the category and in template name gets updated and cost will be 12 paisa and I can preview the invoice template how it will be sent for client. You can schedule. So once you schedule, we'll refresh once. So this is how document will be sent. And this is how the template content will be displayed for you. So right now you can initiate conversation only via templates, or if you want to initiate without template, you can use your mobile directly. And also once if client is responded, then only the chat window gets enabled. So let's say if client responds you, So this is how you will receive. So you can refresh once. So now the chat window gets enabled and there is a 24-hour window time. So you can do conversations without any restrictions now. You can also share documents as well, irrespective of PDF, Excel, or images. We can also use template manually as well. So these templates are comes under general. You can choose any filing related or reminder, those kind of general templates. And after 24 hours, again, you are supposed to select a template. In case after 24 hours, if your client responds by themselves, then again 24 hours window gets open. Same way, in case if you want to assign this respective conversation to assignee or your team, you can also choose respective users to be assigned. Let's say this client has not assigned anything from your end. They don't see this chart until and unless you assign this. If in case if you have assigned any users to the client, then they can say by default. And also there is a note section. So in note section, let's say there are multiple team members are uh, exchanging these conversations, then some team members need some content according to the client requirement based on that. So then they can add respective context over here. And once you had the notes count gets updated. So then when assign is open this chart, they know that they are supposed to refer these notes for the context purpose. And also you can update the status as well manually. And you can also update status in bulk as well. So you can select this, you can select manually with respect to clients, and you can also select in bulk as well. You can update the status according to open or pending or result as well. And you can also reassign in bulk too. If you click on reassign, you can choose respective team members that you are supposed to reassign. So you can proceed this way. So same way we have broadcast as well. So broadcast, once you send, this is how you can see the history. So once you click on new broadcast, you can give a broadcast name. It's a GSTR1 file update. You can choose client. You can choose any client that needs to be sent. You can also filter by business entity and compliance type. You can preview here and also you can preview for here as well. So you can send or schedule a broadcast in bulk as well. So then we'll move to DSC module. So in DSC module, generally it will be DSC expiry related thing or after expiry renewal reminder can be sent. So once you click on respective client, you can choose the template and you can preview the template for here that you can schedule. Same way for license as well. And also you can do it in bulk in Action Center. So here you will be filtered only unpaid invoices. You can select in bulk and you can send it this way. Same way in PLC as well. Same way in license as well. So yeah, that completes the WhatsApp business integration setup in Turia. So now you are ready to create a templates, start conversation and managing communication directly from Turia and also continuing using your existing WhatsApp business app. If you find any difficulties during setup or if you need any help with integration process, please feel free to reach out our team and we'll be happy to help you to set up very smoothly. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.